Could fitness be the key to a more fulfilling, intimate connection? Well, you might be surprised at how much your physical health and fitness can impact your intimate life. Intimacy isn't just about those candlelit dinners or whispered sweet nothings. It's a beautiful dance of physical and emotional closeness that can be enhanced by a fit and healthy body. So how can fitness play a significant role in enhancing intimacy? We're going to explore 7 strategies that can help you unlock a deeper, more satisfying connection. We'll delve into how improving stamina and endurance through regular cardiovascular exercises can boost your energy. We'll discuss strength training and how it can enhance your performance. We'll touch upon the importance of nutrition and quality sleep, and how stress reduction techniques can lead to more relaxed and enjoyable experiences. We'll also discuss the emotional connection that fitness can foster and the hindrances to avoid. So are you ready to unlock deeper intimacy with fitness? Let's dive right in. First up, we have stamina and endurance. Now you might be wondering, how do stamina and endurance play a role in intimacy? Well, it all boils down to fitness. Regular cardiovascular exercises, think running, swimming, or cycling, can do wonders for your overall fitness. And an improved fitness level means a healthier cardiovascular system. So, why should you care about a healthier cardiovascular system? It's simple. A robust cardiovascular system translates into more energy. And more energy, my friends, can make those intimate moments even more pleasurable and satisfying. Imagine being able to fully enjoy those special moments without feeling winded or tired. Sounds pretty good, right? That's the magic of regular cardiovascular exercise. It boosts your stamina and endurance, giving you the energy you need when you need it the most. So, lace up those running shoes, dive into the pool, or hop on that bike. Remember, a healthy cardiovascular system equals enhanced stamina and endurance, which leads to more energy and satisfaction. Next, let's talk about strength training. This is an essential component of any fitness routine, and it can significantly enhance your intimate life. How, you may ask? Well, it's all about engaging your core, back, and pelvic muscles. These 3 muscle groups form the foundation of your body, providing stability and power. When you strengthen these muscles, you're not just improving your physical prowess, you're also enhancing your intimate performance. Consider exercises like squats and deadlifts. They're not just for bodybuilders or professional athletes. These exercises engage multiple muscles at once, leading to improved posture, better balance, and increased power. The same goes for planks. They may look simple, but they're incredibly effective at strengthening your core. The beauty of strength training is that it doesn't just make you look good, it makes you feel good too. It boosts your confidence, your self-esteem, and yes, your intimate experiences. Strengthen your body, and you not only enhance your performance, but also your intimate experiences. Moving on to nutrition, vitality, and stress reduction. Let's talk food first. A balanced diet rich in nutrients is a crucial aspect of overall vitality and intimacy. Certain foods, such as spinach, avocados, and dark chocolate, are known to enhance blood flow and promote overall well-being. They're like the unsung heroes of your pantry, working behind the scenes to keep you energized and ready for those intimate moments. Now, let's shift gears to stress. Stress, as we all know, is a major buzzkill for intimacy. So how do we combat it? Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga have proven to be highly effective. These methods help calm the mind, creating a peaceful ambiance within you. This tranquility translates to more relaxed and enjoyable intimate experiences. You're not just reducing stress, you're enhancing your intimate life. So, eat right and stay calm for a more fulfilling intimate life. Let's now focus on the importance of quality sleep and emotional connection. Picture a world where you wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. This is the power of quality sleep. It impacts your mood, your energy levels, and yes, even your libido. It's the secret ingredient to a healthier, more intimate connection with your partner. Now let's shift gears and talk about the emotional side of fitness. You see, working out isn't just about building physical strength, it's also about fostering emotional bonds. Imagine sharing workout sessions with your partner, running side by side in the morning light, practicing partner yoga in the tranquility of your living room, or lifting weights together at the gym. These shared experiences, these moments of mutual effort and achievement, they strengthen your emotional bond, bringing you closer than ever. So get enough sleep and share workout sessions with your partner for a deeper emotional connection. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of avoiding hindrances. You see, certain habits can act as roadblocks on the path to an intimate connection. One such obstacle is excessive alcohol consumption. While a glass of wine may help you relax, anything more could dull your senses, limiting your ability to connect on a deeper level. Similarly, smoking can affect your stamina and physical performance, creating an unnecessary barrier to intimacy. Now let's talk about body image. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing ourselves to the unrealistic standards often portrayed in the media. This comparison can lead to a poor body image, which can, in turn, affect your self-confidence and hinder intimacy. It's essential to remember that real beauty lies in being comfortable in your own skin, so be mindful of these factors. Avoid habits that hinder your intimate life. Remember, avoiding these hindrances can significantly enhance your intimate life. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, it's clear that fitness is an integral part of fostering deeper connections and enhancing intimacy. We've explored 7 strategies that can help unlock a fulfilling, intimate life, starting with boosting your stamina and endurance through regular cardiovascular exercises. This not only improves your overall fitness, but also provides you with more energy during those intimate moments. Strength training, particularly exercises that engage your core, back, and pelvic muscles, can significantly enhance your performance. Coupled with a nutrient-rich diet, you can boost your vitality and overall well-being. Remember, reducing stress and prioritizing quality sleep are just as important for your intimate life. A calm mind and a well-rested body can make all the difference. Sharing workouts with your partner can strengthen your emotional bond, while being mindful of habits that may hinder intimacy is crucial. Remember, intimacy thrives when we care for our bodies and nurture emotional connections. Embark on this journey to a more fulfilling, intimate life with fitness. You won't regret it.